Morning guys, just a very quick video here. I'm conscious when I came to see you last week we were just about to jump into doing a bulk sales order when I had the trouble with the system. Since discovered that was a data fix that I hadn't run, so my fault there, but very much apologies for that. Anyway, so just a very quick run through on how to get bulk orders to work. So we put in a bulk sales order, set a completion date for it. We can put in a number of call-offs if we know it. Choose who the customer is. Again, reference if you want, collected, delivered, pay on account and cash sale, as with other orders. This gives us our draft bulk order. We can then start to add items in there. So I believe it was this 47200 was the product that we were doing. Again, we can sort of enter in different types of quantities. We've got length, volume and pieces and so on. One of the things I didn't cover in the demonstration is we've actually have within the stock method the idea of standard packs. And the idea of standard packs is to say that you have, when you're selling packs to a customer, you might say, for example, that they want 5 packs with 4.2 meter lengths in, and this particular product has 200 pieces within a particular pack. Now that's a predominant length, so effectively what you're doing is saying this customer wants 5 packs which are heavy to 4.2s. When we come to actually dispatch the packs to the customers, we can pick the specific packs that they're taking, and it might be that they've got ones that have got 195 pieces in or 206 pieces in or whatever it may be, and it may be there's a couple of other lengths in there as well. But it's a way of being able to make quick sales to a customer based on approximately what it is that they're looking for. So we add that in there. I can also, let's just go and add in a volume as well. So let's just go and say they want 40 cubic meters as well as another sort of quantity entry. And we can also, if I click on add basket items here, I've already added some 47100 into that, so I can add that into that particular order. So we can bring all of those items into the bulk order. Once we're happy with it, we do confirm bulk order. There we go, confirm the details. Again, you've got delivery address and so on the map and all the details. But if we confirm the bulk order, there we go. Then we've got a placed bulk order that you can then call off from when the customer actually requires the goods. We'll do create a call off. With the create a call off, you'll see basically it takes a percentage of what has actually been done based on the estimated number of call offs. So because we said we had 4 call offs, therefore it's just taken a percentage of the value, but we can go and adjust it as we want to within those individual ones. If we go in and look at those there, we'll go and actually now sort of choose particular specified packs, and we want packs that have got 4.2 meter lengths in. There we go, so we can see 10 there. Again, we've got the pack length grid, so we can choose from the pack's length grid if that's what we want to do. Otherwise, let's just take a couple of packs here. There we go, so we can see the packs at the top that we've selected. Otherwise, add those ones in and do the video out the way, confirm that detail. There we go, so we've got the basics of what we're taking there. Allocate that particular order. There we go, and with this one I'm going to allocate the order. There we go, printing out a works order for the guys in the yard to go and work on, and emailing a confirmation to the customer. And then we've got that as our allocated order. We can jump back to our bulk order, and so with that we can see first of all against each of the lines how much has been called off and how much is left to order. And also up at the top here we've got the total goods value of the bulk order, but we can see the value that's been called off and the value that's on order. If we go and do another quick call off, and on this particular occasion I'm just going to remove that line There we go. And yeah, let's just do 0 on the quantity on that one. There we go. Allocate that order. There we go. And I'm going to do a quick dispatch on this one. There we go. So it's warning me, firstly it's warning me the customer's over his credit limit. That's fine. I'm going to, senior user, I can push this through anyway. But if I go and do dispatch the order, I've got to go and turn that standard pack into an actual pack. There we go. So let's go and choose a specified pack. There we go. Confirm that one. That's that. Dispatch that order. That's it. So it's just that item going. It's telling us which pack. We can choose the lot or location that it's coming from. Dispatch that one away. Delivery tickets for the driver. And that's that item dispatched. Critically then, if we go back and look at the original bulk order, we can see there, firstly, it's building us a list of the first 3 call-offs up in the top left-hand side here. We can see the value that's been called off. Again, we can see the quantity that's been called off against each of the lines. But if I click on the Child Orders tab, I can see each of those call-offs in terms of when they were ordered, when they were supplied, any kind of individual reference, and the value of goods that has gone. Okay, and then also similarly, if we go and look at sales orders, we can go and look at bulk orders, and we can see on this one here, it's alive. We've got 2 orders that have been called off from it. Total goods value is nearly 106,000. We've called off 40,000. We've got 65 on order and a total value included. So hopefully that's a quick whistle-stop tour on bulk orders. I hope you found that useful.